Hello everybody and welcome to our OilTrax tutorial video for iPhone. We're just going to go over some of the basic features of this application. You can see that I currently have my iPhone in what we would call a landscape mode. The program does operate in either mode, so let's just show you. If I rotate it left, our screen will turn left. If I rotate it right, our screen will turn right. That'll happen on any screen, so fully compatible with most of the main iPhone features. So we'll see from the main menu we have two simple options: find and browse map. If I go to find, I get a list of things I can find. Recent, things that I've searched for recently. LSD, those would be our land locations. Address, that's like a city or street address. OilTrax POI, that's if I want to search something like a well site or facility. POI would be like land information, rivers, lakes, streams, stuff like that. Favorites are things that I save. Coordinates are like lat long coordinates, or we have different formats, UTM, whatever you like. And then this NTS, that's what they commonly use in BC for the well site naming out there. Let's just go up here. Let's do LSD for a second. I'm just going to make one up. We get a nice little spinny wheel when we search for these, so we know we can't go wrong. So I'm just going to make up an LSD location here, just for the sake of showing us all how it works. Meridian. Let's choose the third. We'll choose Saskatchewan because we like Saskatchewan. So calculate distance using. That's just asking me how I want to show this little distance number that you're going to see here. This one here. You can see that I'm very far away from Saskatchewan right now. So that's my search result. Finds the LSD. We click on that. We get a few options. Navigate here. Show on map. Save to favorites. There's a few more in here if we scroll down. But let's just go navigate here. That's our common thing. What that's going to do is take us from our current location. So you can see my current location's here. Turn by turn voice guided navigation all the way to, if I zoom out, you can see, well, you'll see that I'm actually in Vancouver right now. So you go way out. You'll see this route that it takes me all the way across to the location, which is, I'll show you on the map, way over here. Okay, so there's the end of my route. There's the LSD that we're going to. So as we can see, fully functional navigation. Let's just get rid of that for a second. So you'll also see that the OilTrax map has interactive information on it, such as well sites, facilities. If I zoom in on those map dots, I can click on them. I can get the name of it. If I click on that, I can get more details, what the well is all about, who owns it, all sorts of good information about it. We've also enabled it so that, first of all the standard iPhone touch gestures work. So I can just kind of squeeze together. I can spin the map or whatever type of thing that I want to do to interact with it. We can also switch to, if I'm in an area and I want to see a satellite imagery, I can switch over to Google Map, and those will be live feeds. That's the location that I search for. I can look at that one. I can look at a hybrid. Go back to browse. But also, we give users full control of what they want to see. So if I don't want to see all those well sites, I just come onto here and I turn off well sites. Easy as that. I don't have to worry about looking at well sites anymore. There's a few of these data feeds. Most of them are built right in. Some of them give live data access. So like if I click on this little cloud here, current conditions, I can see at the Moose Jaw Airport, that's the time, the condition, temperature, pressure, visibility, wind, dew point, all this good information, which is a live data feed. On that note, most of the things that you see on here are built right into the device, so you don't have to worry about having an internet connection. In the event that you want that live data, you need an internet connection for it, but that's very few of the data sets that you see here. Most of these are right built into it, so you don't need to worry about that. Now, we can also, back to our find menu, if I want to type an address, really easy. Let's type in one of our offices here, 6005 Gateway Boulevard, Edmonton. Don't even need to really worry about formatting, just type it in. It'll search for it, click on it. We can hit show on map, we can save it, we can We can do some custom routing stuff with it. Let's just show this one on the map just for the sake of argument. Also, anywhere that you click on the OilTrax map, you can bring up a dialog, so you can look for what address am I looking at there. You can do that navigate here screen, all sorts of stuff like that. A couple other features that I'll show really quickly. Built into this application, we have, if you put a username in that you just make up and a company name that you make up, then you can actually share your position and location with others that use that same company name. And also you can share waypoints and important map information with those people. This is just some preferences that you can choose how you want things to work and display. This locator thing is what I was talking about with sharing your position and phone number with others. It's only those that you share that company key with. This thing here, which is just something that you make up, whatever you want it to be. So those are some of the basic features of the OilTrax application, and please come back for more videos in the future which will go more in depth into some of the features of the app.